All right, here goes Time in a Bottle by the great Jim Croce. So here goes the intro. Okay, so we're starting with the D minor chord. We got 7, 6, and 5. We're going to start with this D bass string as well. So we start with the big string and the little string at the same time. And then we just go up the strings. Strings 3, 2, and 1. So now I'll hit this bass note again to kind of keep that going. Then we're going to switch chords. We're going to take this 7th fret on the G string down to the 6. So we end up with a 6, 6, and 5. Same picking thing, outside strings, going up, and then the big one. So now we're going to a D shape here. And then we're going to switch around and we're going to get a G7 type of thing here. So we're going to have 4 on the G, 6 on the B, 3 on the E. So we got 4 different chords there. Then we're going to hit this big string open with the 3rd fret of the small string. And we can start alternating with this G string. So we have, but you can alternate with that G string as much as you would like to. So it could be every now and again, or it could be, depends what you want to do. Then at the end, we're going to go into this A7 chord. We have these 2s. So we're going to hit both of those 2s to the open G and move into this 3rd fret of the 2nd string, do kind of the same thing. Little string open to that 3. 5 and 3, 3 and 1, 2 and open. It's kind of our intro there. You kind of pause for a minute there, and then the verse is going to start. It's going to start with basically that same type of thing. And like I said, you can kind of vary that out. So this second part starts kind of the same, but it ends different. It goes low. So you can have 2 to 3 to 2 on the 2nd string to open, and then 2 on the G string. And that takes us into this chorus. So here we have a D major chord. We got 5 and then 7, 7. And then we're going to switch the bass note to a 6. And then we're going to switch the bass note to a 4. And this is the thing I kind of arranged to kind of make it sort of easy to pull off all the chords, but still have some kind of flowing finger picking pattern. So this one can be kind of difficult because you got a 4 on the G string, you got a 5 on the little string, and a 7 on the 2nd string. But it's a good little practice. Then we're going to go to 5, 7, and 7 on the big string. G chord, 5, 4, 3, 3. D with F sharp bass, 4, 2, 3, 2. E minor, and then that's going to be the 2s on the middle 2 strings to the 4 and 3 to the 6 and 5. Back to the D chord. G, D with F sharp, E minor. Same walk up. And then we'd be back. Instrumental interlude. Pause for a little bit, just like the intro. And then the next verse part. We'll call that like the high one. That's kind of the one that starts it out. The other one goes lower. That's that lower one. Then we got the D. And then we're going into the outro. It's going to be... So we have a little cool harmonic trick we can do here. So we're going to go 0, 5, 6 open. And we'll do that 6 open again. And then the D bass. Then we're going to pop back to the 2, 3. And hit these little harmonics. So this is a cool trick to learn. So if you are 12 frets above any note down here, this is the 2nd fret. So if I'm on the 14th fret, that's the one this is. If I put my finger right on top of it, don't press down, just put my finger on top of it, like making a harmonic, I can bring this thumb around here, pick this note, have that finger on that fret, and underneath that thumb, pick that note. Same thing on the other one, so I'm on the 15th fret now, because I'm on the 3rd fret down here. So anyway, the outro is going to go with that little harmonic thing. It's going to go. And then that chord, open 5, 6 open. All right, Time in a Bottle, Jim Croce, one of the greats of all time. Hope you enjoyed that. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you soon.